Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Everything I do is going to be using this frying pan. Today I'm going to make shrimp tempura. And all what you do is you get shrimp. I have 16 to 20 size. That means there's 16 to 20 and a pound. I got easy peel because the thing is already clean from the back. You see, just like this, right? It's already clean. Okay, so I take off the shell. You gotta take off the shell now, okay? And right on the bottom, I make some slits like this, right? So we're gonna make the shrimp long and straight. Then you press it down. You can hear the thing crunch like that, right? Then you got the tail, you clean off the rubbish. And so there you go. You got the shrimp just like this. To make the tempura better, you buy this 1916 tempura mix from KTA. So what you do, you put 1 cup of the panko. Okay? Right into the bowl like that. Then you get 3/4 cups of water. Add it in and you mix it up. Then in another bowl, add some of the dry tempura mix powder. Put some batter in the hot oil to test whether it's ready. When the batter sizzles, it's ready. All what you do is grab your shrimp, put it in the dry batter mix, then put it in your wet tempura batter, then fry it. And you lay it softly right on there. Perfect. You're going to get good tempura real fast. Okay, and it's about a minute or so. It's fried on one side, you turn it over, it's fried on the other side. Okay, just like this. Okay, it's just about done. Nice and crisp. Put it onto the hand towel. See, just like this. Shrimp tempura. Woo! Look at them, piping hot. Shrimp tempura. Woo! Oh! Wow, fucking hot. Look at that. But it's so good. Hey, so easy, so good. Man with a pan. We'll see you. Aloha.